And then when the sopranos and the sopranos play together, it sounds like this. Our next largest section we have is probably what we see most of the school band are the alto saxophone. And part of that group we have today is the antique saxophone on F mezzo. Way in the back of F mezzo. Make sure you take pictures of that because that's a rare bird. We have the F mezzo and alto. When they play together, they sound like this. Moving on to the next largest section, we have our tenor saxophone. And as a part of that group, we have some antique tenors for stage recordings in the smelling saxophone. Whoa! You see melodies in tenor, when they play together, they sound like this. The next largest section we have are the baritone saxophone. And we have another group bigger than them, the bass saxophone. We have three of those guys today. Now, folks, remember, if you're buying a horn for your kids, that's the one you want to buy. Okay? So with the barriers and the basses played together, it sounds like this. Kind of being the flight path model. And when the whole ensemble, except for down to bass played together, it sounds like this. This next piece could challenge you a little bit to those who remember the TV show Court. The judge had a picture on his table on his desk. A very, very famous singer of his stage, George Barnett, also known as Velvet Fog. Anyway, this is his signature tune, which actually was made famous by Nat King Cole. This is Christmas song.